Hello to all the SEMO alumni. I'm Stuart Matthews. I own Minglewood Brewery. I also brew here, and we're going to make a Bloody Mary today. This Bloody Mary is called the Cure, okay? So there's a few ingredients that you're going to need whenever you make this Bloody Mary. Obviously, you're going to need some Bloody Mary mix. Minglewood uses Zing Zang. You're also going to need some vodka. We use Absolute. And you're going to need pepperoni, salami, prosciutto, Kalamata olives, cheddar cheese, pickle spear, lemon lime, and then celery stick. So what we do is we take our pepperoni, we fold it in half kind of, and then we do the same thing with our salami. And then we do the same thing with our prosciutto. Now our prosciutto is rather large, so your prosciutto may not be as big, so you can kind of use a little smaller strip if you would like. Maybe we can do this. And that would be one. And then we do that a second time as well. Now these are very big bloodies. The glass, the size glass that we use is a 20 ounce. It's an imperial pint glass. Versus a 16 ounce glass, so you're getting a lot of Bloody Mary mix. We also use a 4 count for our vodka pour. So we do this 3 different times, right? We have a lot of different Bloody Marys. This specific Bloody Mary is only available on our Sunday brunch. That is every Sunday from 9 to 1. Then we put our block of cheese, and then 4 Kalamata olives. Now we're just going to set this over to the side for the time being, and now we will make the Bloody Mary. So imperial pint glass, ice, all right, vodka, now Zing Zang, you need to shake it, okay? So go ahead and shake your Zing Zang. We've tried a lot of these different Bloody Mary mixes. We really seem to think that this is the one that we really like. Now you want to allow enough space in the top of this to fit all the other ingredients in. So what we'll do is we'll pour this, we'll mix this up. And then we start putting in all the toppings. So we just set our toppings here. What we'll do sometimes is just so this pickle will stick up, we'll stick it in like that. Celery, lime, lemon, and there you go. You have the Cure.